Hi guys, this is the tutorial of how I want you to play Save Tonight by Eagle Eye Cherry. This is in page 80 of the Justin Guitar book. So the important thing to remember with this one is the A minor, the first chord that we play, is hammered on. So your first strum will be with no chord held, and then after that you're going to throw an A minor onto there like this. Just remember for this one as well, I want you to strum a little bit more frequently than what's shown in the strum pattern in the book. A little more like this. So just make sure as well that you're playing the verses for the song quietly, and then when it builds up into the chorus, try playing a little bit louder. Because we're playing the same chords over and over again, it's important that we add some sort of variation to the song, not with the chords but with the volume that we play. This song's really good for playing along with the actual track because no capo is required, so I'd encourage you to fire up the song on YouTube and play along with that, keeping in mind what I've just been talking about.